Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we are going to install this Spigen NeoFlex Premium Optical Full Covered Film with this Spigen case. Well, let's see what is in the box. We have a clear and flexible, it is a precise fit, guard screen, and definitely we have an watch our tutorial video from Spigen. This is for Samsung Galaxy S8. Compatible with Spigen cases. This is the Spigen compatible case, and definitely we are in to install. Inside we've got two flexible coverage film. Here's the box. We are going to see together all the process how to install this Spigen covered film. I will guide you in all the steps to do it right. And let's begin with the compatible film to see what we have inside. Let's start opening this. The box was delivered sealed. Okay, inside we got this liquid spray. Let's try and open it. It will help you to install this. This is liquid installation. And there it is, the two flexible films. Gently just try to open. Here it is. Dust removal stickers, 4. A cloth. And this, it will help you to install the covered film. Nothing else inside. We don't need this. Okay. To begin, we need a phone, and as I said, we need the Galaxy S8. And starting with that, we are going to clean. Very good, very nice. All the surface that we're going to install the covered film. Just clean it very well. Don't miss any spot. After you clean all this very well, check it for any fingerprint. Take the dust removal. Try to remove any unnecessary dust. After you finish that, we're going to the liquid. Open it. Put a little bit to the phone. That it will help you and it will guide you to put the covered film into the right position. It will be nice to put some in your finger. After, of course, you have been cleaning your finger very well. Okay. Now take the film, try to remove it. I'm sorry, okay, here it is. And very nice, just install it to the phone. As I said, it will help, it will guide you to precisely put it. If you're seeing that you have some issues, you can put some more liquid. And definitely that it will help you, it will manage to install better. I know it will be tricky because if you put more liquid, it will slide more. Now take this, and it will help you. Now here it is for me, I think it's nice. Now if you find the right position, start, apply gently. Don't be afraid for the water. Remember, your phone is waterproof. Slide, that's beautiful. You can see the water is coming out. No worries. You're taking out the bubbles. I can see it's a slide. We need more. Okay. No worries, you can manage to fix on that. And try to apply with a bit of force. Liquid is coming out, you can see. Don't worry, your phone is water resistant, not going to harm. After you're done with that, you need to leave your phone for 12 hours. And after that, you'll see it will be much better. When you finish that, you can try to clean your phone. Because you can see some water. If you can see some bubbles into the case, now it's the right time to push it away. It will be nice to take a flashlight, bright light, and it will help you to see better if something is wrong, and you can fix it now. I don't see any bubbles. Okay. Now is more dry, and I think it's better. I don't think you can manage to see where is the covered film. The installation is very good, yes. I did have some worries at the first because I see it didn't go well in the corners, but now as it's drying, it's better. Now, just leave your phone at the night. It's better to install it before you're going to bed. Leave it at the night, and definitely in the morning it will be better. Okay. Now we can see the Spigen case. It's in black. As I say, it's compatible with this. Yes, it is compatible because the case is going up from the coverage film, and that it will help to keep the coverage film in the right position, and it will not take it away from the phone. I'm not going to install the case now because we need to wait about 12 hours. And with that, guys, this is the end of the video how to install the new Flex Premium optical full coverage film. Thank you again for watching. The video is too long, guys, it's about 14 minutes, but I think it's worth to look my video how to install this beautiful coverage film. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming, and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.